This is a GEYA planetary flywheel mechanical watch. And yeah, it's every bit as wild as it looks. It's flashy, bold, and full of motion, almost like a little universe on your wrist. Now, personally, this isn't something I wear every day. It's just too much for my taste, but I'll admit it's a fascinating piece, especially if you're into watches and make a statement. Think of it as an affordable Jacob & Co. Astronomia for those on a budget. The first thing you'll notice is the size. It's 46 millimeters across, 22 millimeters thick, and it weighs 110 grams and has 50 meters of water resistance. On my 6 7/8 inch wrist, it definitely wears large. This is not a watch you hide under a cuff. It's the kind of watch you wear when you want people to notice. The dial is what makes this watch special. It's designed to look like a small solar system floating in space, with planets like Mars, Neptune, Venus, and the moon scattered across the surface. Then there's a rotating Earth at 6 o'clock. It spins once every 60 seconds, acting as a second's hand. Watching it move is genuinely mesmerizing. Up top, you've got this curved sapphire crystal with a gold-coated film. It's resistant to scratches and impact, though mine did have a bit of a haze. I'm not sure if that has anything to do with the film, but it's definitely noticeable. I wish the glass was a bit clearer. The case itself is stainless steel with both brush and polish finishes. Not perfect, but solid for the price point. One detail I really liked is the case back. It's beautifully engraved with planetary patterns and even an astronaut. A nice touch that shows GEYA put some thought into the design. For a flashy piece like this, those small little details go a long way. Now, here's the fun part. To wind the planetary flywheel, you actually lift the little lever and start turning it clockwise. Once it's wound, that top portion of the dial starts spinning, and you can really see the whole mechanism come to life. It's one of the most entertaining parts of owning this watch. And to set the time, GEYA includes a small adjustment tool in the box. You insert it into a small portion of the case back to move the hands. It's a bit unconventional, but kind of cool to see the level of detail included. Now, to be clear, the only mechanical part is the top portion of the dial. The actual clock is controlled by a quartz movement. The presentation is just as over the top as the watch itself. The box is themed like deep space. Inside, you even get an astronaut figurine for your desk. It's playful, fun, and totally on brand for this cosmic theme. You also get 2 straps, one crocodile green leather strap for dressier occasions, and one rubber strap for casual wear. Both use stainless steel folding sign buckles and have a quick release system for easy strap changes. It's nice that GEYA thought about versatility here. Although the leather strap is not the greatest, the rubber strap feels supple and makes the watch a bit sportier. There's lume, but it's only applied on the hands and indices of the small subdial, which feels like a missed opportunity. Imagine if they had lumed the stars or planets. It could have looked like an actual galaxy glowing on your wrist at night. Now let's keep it real. The finishing could be better. There's a slight haze on the glass and some parts could actually use more refinement. For a piece that's trying to emulate ultra-luxury designs, better proportions and a cleaner execution would really take it to the next level. So overall, I don't hate it. It's not for me, but it's definitely an eye-catching conversation-starting piece. For under $600, this GEYA Planetary Flywheel watch gives you a taste of that high-end mechanical art style without spending tens of thousands. So if you love flash, unique designs, and have something that literally moves like a tiny universe on your wrist, this one's for you. But if you're like me and prefer cleaner proportions and subtlety, you'll probably admire it from a distance. Let me know in the comments, is this your kind of watch, or is it just too much for daily wear? Until next time, be safe out there and stay humble.